Eliminate 15 years of your face with only this. Amazing! One of the things that most concern women is that from the age of 25 wrinkles start to come out, for different reasons: poor diet, sleeplessness, smoking, restless lifestyle, stress, prolonged exposure to the sun, among others many reasons. These signs of age often appear in areas such as the face, neck, neckline and hands, giving them an aged appearance despite being relatively young. For all that I have just mentioned, it is important to give them timely treatment so that they do not become deeper and difficult to eliminate. Here are 2 very good masks to combat deep wrinkles without having to undergo complex cosmetic treatments of high cost. Mask 1. Ingredients: 1/4 natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons of natural orange juice, 1/4 cup of banana. Preparation: in a clean bowl, crush the banana and mix with the yogurt until a creamy texture. Incorporate the honey and the orange juice and beat until everything is well mixed. Application: remove and clean your face before applying it. Spread the product on your face and let it act for 20 minutes so that the nutrients can be absorbed correctly. Rinse with warm water. Use this mask 3 times a week. Mask 2. Dry skin. Ingredients: half a banana, half ripe avocado, 1 egg white. Banana is a source of vitamins, minerals and is filled with antioxidants that help reduce the damage caused by the environment. While avocado provides essential fatty acids like omega-3, which has a healing effect when applied to the skin. Preparation: extract the avocado from the peel and mashed with a fork into a bowl, then add the banana and crushed together with the avocado. Once you have a homogeneous puree, beat the egg white and incorporate it into the puree. Mix until everything is well stirred.